G or a little boo-boo?
Oh yeah, I see that there. So there's a little abrasion on, and it's swollen a little bit right there. She also has a little around the eyes. So she's gonna need an antibiotic. It's too early to say if she's got like a little, if she's gonna be a dog that has a little allergies, but you know, this is very manageable.
You want her to stand?
Yeah, I want to feel her underneath her breasts.
She doesn't want to.
She's splayed out like,
I know.
It's like a sausage.
she's so cute. Oh yeah, she does have big breasts. It's okay, sweetheart. This table's hard to get traction on. It's okay, Mama.